Hello, and welcome to That's the Point, where we discuss the many varied topics and ideas surrounding construction positioning technology. I'm Jonathan Stickle, sitting here with Corey Meyer. Corey, how you doing today?
What's up, man? I'm ready to do this.
All right,
I'm excited to talk about scanning, something different.
That's right. Yes, so today we are talking about laser scanning and specifically SD cards, because in reality, not all SD cards are created equal.
And it's a unique topic because with the Trimble X series, it's so unique because we have a direct connection to the tablet, right? So we can do all of the in-field registration, we can do all the in-field analysis, we can do floor flatness, which is fantastic, but we've still got that onboard storage that offers us a lot of benefits as well.
Yeah, I mean, some of those benefits, it allows you to back up your data, to transfer data faster without using the tablet, and then also allows you to log files for collection and things like that.
Right, so if we have like a support issue or something like that, we need somewhere to write the log file to. So what we've done today is we've brought out this is a Trimble X7, and we've actually booted it up, and it actually has what would be a bad SD card in it, so improperly formatted in this case. SD card. So we have the red lights. We know there's something wrong, and we also know this thing is not going to start scanning without a close look. So how do we talk about SD cards? Well, they're not all created the same. So as Jonathan kind of lays them about here, and we've got a whole bunch of different kinds here that we even just pulled up from around the office. We even got the special guitar pick version of the SD card in there somehow. All these cards are different in their format, their size, there's all kinds of options, and what we wanted to do is kind of unpack this today and talk about what you actually need within the Trimble X series to be able to run the scanner. And the first thing we have to talk about is speed.
Yeah, I mean, Trimble X series requires a 95 megabyte read and 90 megabyte write. So that's the base initial requirement. The X series does come from the factory with an SDHC card, but you can easily purchase an SDXC card.
There was no way I was going to say that. I was going to totally make you say all those initials. So
but you can easily purchase that card in most stores.
And it's easy. Most of them are written, as you can see here in this picture on screen. They're written on the card, so you've got your read-write speed on the card. You've also got whether it's an SDHC or XC right there on the card as well. It's easily highlighted, and so you can know right away that you're dealing with the right card. And so we prefer to use, here at Building Point, we prefer to use the XC version of these because that does allow you to get a much larger card. And so our take is, with memory being so inexpensive, these cards are very, very inexpensive. So you can then buy a much larger card. You don't have to worry about running out of space or anything like that. So the larger, the better in our estimation. The only gotcha is that the larger cards are formatted in a different process, right? So they're using what they call exFAT. And that's what we're running into here is the X series does require a FAT32 formatted SD card.
But exFAT does not equal FAT32. There is a difference.
And that's a perfect example of what we've done here. That's why the lights are red. So if we actually remove this card that's currently in the scanner, right, this was formatted as a exFAT, and we're gonna take the exact same card, same type of card, but it's formatted FAT32. We're gonna put it into the unit, and it's gonna immediately recognize it as the proper format. It's gonna go green. We're gonna be set to go. So this process is actually really easy. So all you have to do is head over to the link below, and that's gonna allow you to download a step-by-step instructions. It's gonna give you the formatting tool to be able to make sure that you're always formatting your X series cards as FAT32. You're gonna be set.
Yeah, and that's it. Make sure you have your FAT32 formatted SDXC card. Bob's your uncle. As always, smash that subscribe button so that you don't miss one of our latest episodes that dives into your latest tips, tricks, and pointers to get the most out of your Trimble gear. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on That's the Point.